Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today we will solve one more LeetCode question, which is question number 11, container with most water. It comes under medium and it is also asked in most of the coding round of interviews. So let's understand the question first. So the question says you are given an integer array of height of length n. So all the array elements contains the height. There are n vertical lines drawn such that the two endpoints of the ith line are I of 0 and I of height of I. Find the two lines that together with x-axis form a container such that the container contains most water. Return the maximum amount of water a container can store. Notice that you may not slant the container. So what it is saying that you need to find out the area between two heights such that the area between these two is maximum. So if you consider, if we would have considered this and this, then the water would have been only this much. Okay, so we need to choose two vertical lines such that the area will be maximum. So let's understand the examples. So in the examples here it is given the heights of all the pillars over here and the output is 49. How does the 49 comes? So it is the minimum, the height of this, which is I think 7, and this is also till 7 we have taken. So 7 into 7 it is 49. So area we are taking as 49. Similarly with the height of 1 and 1, suppose we have two pillars of 1 and 1, so what will be the area between two? It is simple length into breadth, which is 1. So let's understand the solution, how we can bring up the solution for this question. So here we need to find the maximum area. I think it is simple, like we can just have length into breadth. We can take 2 pointers from length and from left and right. So we can take 2 pointers from left and right, and we can increase the left pointer and decrease the right pointer till we have the max area. So at each point we will calculate the area and whatever will be the max area that we are going to return. Okay, so we don't have to return the number of pillars or anything, so we don't have to keep the count of all those things. We just need to keep track of the area, so we'll return the max area at the end. Okay, so hope you have understood this question. So let's write the code for this. So here it is given height. So let's take out n value, which is height dot length. Okay, so now I'll take 2 pointers left and right, which is int l, which is 0, and int r, which is n minus 1. Okay, so we will traverse the array till left pointer crosses the right pointer. So we will have this condition. Okay, now we'll have a variable called area, which will keep track of our local area. Okay, and we will have a length of x-axis, so which we can calculate via r minus l. Okay, so the length of this line can be calculated via r minus l. So the index of the left point, index of the right pointer minus index of the left pointer. So that's how we got the x, and now we have to get the height. So how we will calculate the height? So between these two, so we are taking the minimum one. So at every stage we will take the minimum one. Okay, and whichever will be the minimum, that side we will increment. Okay, so we will have an if condition where we'll check height of left if it is lesser than height of right. So in this case what we will do, so we will calculate the area with the minimum value, right? So here it will be ARR of L into length of x-axis. Okay, now we'll have an else condition if my right is smaller. So I'll just copy paste the same code with R over here. Okay, now since we are taking left, now we need to shift the left pointer. Okay, so since we have to increment the left pointer, we will do L++, and since right pointer is at the right side, we need to decrement it. So it will be R minus Now this is my local area. Now we need to have the max area, right? So we need to add a variable over here, int max area. So let's have it at 0. Now my max area will be math.max of my local area and my global area. So whichever will be the max, that will be my max area. Okay, now my loop closes over here and I will return the max area. So let's run our program. So I have written ARR at every place. I'll just change the parameter. No other errors. So it worked for these two cases. Let's submit and check. So this is it. Let me know if you have any further questions. Thanks for watching.